Okay, so this is a video on what's inside a hairdryer, or what parts can you salvage from inside a hairdryer. So this is a 1400 watt hairdryer. Okay, you can see I've taken out the two security screws. Okay, they're normally there and there. Okay, the security screw that I'm talking about is this. Okay, it looks like a flat screwdriver, but it's got a notch in between. Okay. Okay, so once you remove that, okay, straight away on the inside, you can see that you've got a cone. Okay, it's another plastic goodie with a cover. Okay, that's just one of the plastic components that came out. It's got some heat resistant paper. Okay, that can be used for something as well. Okay, inside here you've got this heat wire. Okay, it's normally referred to heater wire, or sometimes even referred to as nitron wire, but this is more likely heater wire than nitron wire, because you can see that based on the thickness of the wire. Okay, so in this salvageable items that you can get is a fan. Okay, there's a fan here. Okay, that fan is broken off, you can see there, so not much you can do with that. Okay, you've got a switch here, or button, push button. Okay, you've got a three-way switch here that you can use as well. In here you've got some wire connectors, okay, as well as one of these as well. Okay, so not much, but this is what you get from inside a hairdryer, a heater wire, and that can be used for making a DIY heater, either 12 volt or 230 volt, depending on how you want to circuit it. Okay, so that's basically what you find on the inside of a hairdryer.